Hello my dear parents, you are listening Priya on my channel Freestyle Parenting India. आज मैं हमारे बच्चों के लिए लाई हूँ 10 lines about International Yoga Day. It is very important. Our children should know about it. So let's start with 10 lines. International Yoga Day is celebrated on June 21st every year to promote the practice of yoga worldwide. 21st June is selected for the International Day of Yoga because it is the longest day of the year. Yoga is a fun and healthy activity that helps our bodies become strong and flexible. Practicing yoga can make us feel happy and peaceful inside. On this special day, people of all ages come together to participate in yoga sessions and learn about its benefits. In the General Assembly of the United Nations, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji suggested celebrating Yoga Day. Today, people all over the world understand the importance of yoga and practice yoga regularly in their homes. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India and focuses on physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. The best thing about yoga is that it can be done anywhere and anytime. Let's celebrate Yoga Day by trying out some fun yoga poses and enjoying the benefits of this amazing practice. So that's all about International Yoga Day. ये लाइन सिर्फ बच्चों के पैराग्राफ राइटिंग या स्पीच राइटिंग तक ही लिमिटेड नहीं रह जाए, बल्कि इन 10 लाइंस के ज़रिए हमें अपने बच्चों को इनकरेज करना चाहिए योगा प्रैक्टिस को अपने डेली लाइफ में ऐड करने के लिए, क्योंकि योगा सिर्फ फिजिकल हेल्थ या बॉडी की फ्लैक्सिबिलिटी ही नहीं बढ़ाता है, बल्कि विल पावर, कंसंट्रेशन और कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाने का सबसे ईजी मेथड है. That's all from my end. If you feel video is informative, please like and share. And if you want to see such more videos, do subscribe my channel. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.